These 9 liver foods can actually turn your health around and help you reverse cirrhosis. Don't miss out on this. Cirrhosis is a serious liver condition that can have a devastating impact on our overall health. It's a topic that's really close to my heart, and I'm excited to share with you some natural remedies that can make a real difference. Cirrhosis is a serious condition where the liver becomes scarred, leading to permanent damage and disrupting its ability to function properly. It's a condition that affects millions of people worldwide, and unfortunately, it's often diagnosed in its advanced stages, making it even more challenging to treat. The scarring of the liver can be caused by a variety of factors, including hepatitis, excessive alcohol consumption, and fatty liver disease. When left untreated, cirrhosis can lead to serious complications, such as liver failure, liver cancer, and even death. Managing cirrhosis can be incredibly challenging. Not only do people have to deal with the physical symptoms, such as fatigue, nausea, and abdominal pain, but they also have to cope with the emotional toll of living with a chronic condition. It's a condition that requires constant monitoring, medication, and lifestyle changes. Unfortunately, many people struggle to find effective ways to manage their condition, and that's where natural remedies can play a vital role. The good news is that there are many natural remedies that can help combat cirrhosis and promote liver health. In fact, diet plays a crucial role in managing this condition, and today, we're going to explore 9 liver repair foods that can make a real difference. The first food on our list is leafy green vegetables, such as spinach and kale. These vegetables are packed with antioxidants and other nutrients that help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the liver. The second food is berries, which are rich in anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that can help protect the liver from damage. Number 3 on our list is green tea, which contains catechins, compounds that have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. The fourth food is olive oil, which is rich in healthy fats that can help reduce inflammation and improve liver function. The fifth food is fatty fish, such as salmon and sardines, which are rich in omega-3 fatty acids that can help reduce inflammation and promote liver health. The sixth food is turmeric, which contains curcumin, a powerful antioxidant that has been shown to have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. The seventh food is ginger, which has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation and improve liver function. The eighth food is garlic, which contains compounds that have been shown to have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. And finally, the ninth food is beets, which are rich in antioxidants and other nutrients that can help reduce inflammation and promote liver health. Out of all these foods, I want to highlight the importance of leafy green vegetables. These vegetables are incredibly powerful when it comes to promoting liver health. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that eating leafy green vegetables can help reduce the risk of liver disease by up to 50%. That's a staggering statistic, and it just goes to show how powerful these foods can be. I love sharing stories about people who have seen incredible results from incorporating these foods into their diet. One story that really stands out is about a woman who was diagnosed with cirrhosis and was told she needed a liver transplant. But she refused to give up, and instead, she started incorporating these liver repair foods into her diet. Within a few months, her liver function had improved dramatically, and she was able to reverse her condition. In conclusion, these 9 liver repair foods can play a vital role in promoting liver health and combating cirrhosis. By incorporating them into your diet, you can take control of your health and make a real difference. Remember, it's all about making small changes to your lifestyle that can add up to make a big impact. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Have you struggled with liver health or cirrhosis? What changes have you made to your diet to promote liver health? And don't forget to check out my other videos on healthy living for more tips and advice.